Welcome to my channel Sagittarian Art by Tamanna. Let's learn how to paint Deadpool character step by step. I am using watercolor here. You can use oil paint or acrylic colors also, whatever you want to. The good part is I always stock up white acrylic paint. So let's get started. Here I am mixing these two colors. They are Scarlet Red and Crimson Lake. To get a perfect shade, I mix them both. Now just quickly paint the background of the painting. If you are a beginner and want to start your painting journey, then I suggest you to start with watercolors because they are easy to blend and they are easy to use also. I just love this shade. It's between maroon and red and give a proper beautiful shade that I perfectly want. Now let's paint on other parts also. Here I am mixing Crimson Lake, Scarlet Red and Sap Green. The ratio will be 2, 2 and 1. This shade is between brown and maroon. You can also try to paint this painting even if you are a beginner. Watch the whole process. If you have just started watching my art videos, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like my art videos, then please like and share with your friends and family members. You can also purchase my artwork through my Instagram profile. My Instagram ID is sagittarian.art. Look at the shade, it turned out so good. Enjoy the whole process. So now we have almost done. Let's just quickly outline and paint the other part also with black watercolor. Almost completed. Now let's just outline it. I am using small round brush for outlining my painting. And it's done. Do try this easy painting process and also tag me on my Instagram handle secretarian.art. Thanks for watching.